Malaria infects liver. Ringworm, skin. Pyorrhea, gums. Typhoid, intestine. Diabetes, pancreas. Diphtheria, throat. Jaundice, liver. Ricket, bones. Rheumatism, joints. Cataract, eyes. Goiter, thyroid gland. Tuberculosis, lungs. Largest organ, skin. Largest gland, liver. Biggest cell, female, ovum. Largest endocrine gland, thyroid. Largest lymphatic organ, spleen. Largest part of brain, cerebrum. Largest and strongest bone, femur.
Amnesia, loss of memory. Anorexia, loss of appetite. Alopecia, loss of hair. Ageusia, loss of taste. Hypostasia, loss of sensitivity. Insomnia, loss of sleep. Anosmia, loss of smell. Study of blood, hematology. Study of liver, hepatology. Study of fungi, mycology. Study of algae, phycology. Study of virus, virology. Study of kidney, nephrology. Study of cancer, oncology. Study of universe, cosmology. Study of fruits, pomology. Study of birds, ornithology. Study of bones, osteology. Study of eggs, oology. Study of dream, oneirology. Study of hairs, trichology. Study of eyes, ophthalmology.
What are they called? Nephro, kidney. Hepato, liver. Pulmo, lung. Cardio, heart. Cyto, cell. Rhino, nose. Naso, nose.